Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about a strong constitution. What do we think of whenever we think of a strong constitution or we see a personality who is having a strong constitution? It means we see a strength, a firmness, a authority or a kind of a pride. So this remedy which we'll be talking about is Ferrum. See, we use Ferrum, that is iron, in general for what? For construction, for giving a strength or for a building purpose which will give a structure to something. So even in our human body we see iron is used for transportation of hemoglobin, or it is used for the construction, for the growth. Iron is used in our body. So these people, these constitutions are likewise, they are very firm, they are very structured, they are very disciplined. So you will notice them as a good leader, a very authoritative and a good personality who is have a duty conscience of themselves. And physically if you'll see, so likewise if you cannot keep the iron rod outside, because we know, because it will start reacting with the external impression immediately. What it will happen, you will see a rusting on that rod. So similarly these people are very sensitive to external environment, or you can say external impression. So even the crackling of noise, or if you try to tear the paper now, that will make him irritate, or that might trigger them. If physically we'll notice, Ferrum, this remedy is used for the anemic condition as well. But what is different in this anemia, there is a lot of flushed face or hands even though their HB is low. Stay tuned to learn such remedies, and you can enroll in our e-university. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.